sorry. I just need 1 minute to make sure I look good. Do you think I look good, Mr. Armstrong?
I wanna kiss you, but if I do, then I might miss you, babe. I can keep a secret, kid. Got my mind on your body and your body on my mind. Got a taste for the cherry, I just need to take a bite.
Vet inte utgång, habibi.
Oh, 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 oh.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
Two best friends in a room, they might kiss.
Yes, we will.
What?